Hey there, it's Frank at 4D Honeybee. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day on the 9th of November. We've had about 4, maybe 5 days of really nice warm weather. At this time last year, we had 6 inches of snow on the ground, and the bees were done for the year. I don't think they ever came out after then, but the bees have been out and about for the last 4 days. So, or at least they should have been. I'm going to go down and see the apiary now. I haven't looked at it, but I imagine they're flying. And this is great. This is like bonus time for them to go out. There's stuff for them to forage, for sure. They'll find some stuff, but they're also getting their evacuation flights. So it really is good for them to get an extra week in November or 2 of flights so that they can evacuate themselves, and lessens the chance probably of dysentery and that kind of thing in the hive. So I'm going to go down and have a look. Hopefully the winterization kits are still allowing them to fly in and out using the lower entrance and the upper entrance, and the mouse guard is not preventing them from going. So let's have a look with 4D Honeybee. Wow. This answers my question. Are the bees flying? You tell me. Look at that. So they are using the inner and upper entrances. Let's just see if I can give you a decent angle here to look. Yeah, see that? And there's going to be a bit of a traffic jam getting in and out of that lower entrance with that mouse guard. But you can see they're getting in no problem. And again, the screw that I set in there, just to make sure that black cover doesn't slide all the way down and cover the entrance. That's pretty important. And you can also see they are using the top entrance as well. A little harder to see. Maybe I'll change the angle here a little bit for you. See, they are coming in and out of that entrance up there as well. So that's good. Let's check out the other hive. Next one over. Yeah, this one's doing great too. Look at that. You can easily see from here that both entrances are available. Lower entrance and upper. And wow, look at this other hive. This is my weak hive. The hive I split, and look at all the bees. My goodness, looks like it has more bees than the others. So when I winterized these, this hive here had a really good 8-frame cluster, I'd say. The other 2 hives both easily had 10-frame clusters, so there are, or were, fewer bees in this hive in general. But you can see that they are happy to be flying in November. Let's take a look at that lower entrance. A little hard to see with the grass there, which I should have gotten rid of. Hang on, where are we? Oh, there we are. Get out. Go away. Go away. Go away. There you see lower entrance. You can clearly see they're getting in the upper entrance too. So very good sign. 2nd week of November, and 3 active, winterized, but active hives. So, and I did some open feeding for them too, just in case they did come out. And let's have a look at that. Yeah, it's all gone. So this was full of candy, and you can see it's gone. So really good sign. Good to know that they're out and about. Good to know that 2nd week of November we've got 3 strong hives. If I get another day of hot weather, I may come out and crack a hive to see how it's been, what, over 2 weeks now that I put in the paella pollen patties that I put in and the sugar candy that I made for them for the winter. It'd be neat to see if they've hit it already and if they've reduced that. Because if I open one of these hives and all that food is gone, then maybe I should plan to put some more in. So maybe that's what I'll do tomorrow if I have time and if the weather holds out. So we'll see. Thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee.